Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix no internet found in Valorant. It's quite easy and straightforward, so without further ado, let's get started. First of all, you need to change your DNS server addresses, and to do so, you just on search you need to write settings, then you need to go to network and internet, then you need to look for advanced network settings, then here press this option here, and then you need to look for more adapter options. Press edit, and then make sure internet protocol version 6 is disabled, and double click on internet protocol version 4, and here you need to look for this option. Use the following DNS server addresses, and here you need to write 8.8.8.8 and here 8.8.4.4 0.4.4, and then apply the changes and press OK and restart your computer or internet, and then you need to look if the problem persists or not. And if the problem persists, then another thing that you can do here is to open up CMD or command prompt, right click on it, run as administrator, and then on this window here you need to write ipconfig/flush DNS, and then after you get this message you need to enter another command, netsh int IP reset, and after that, after you put the command, restart your computer and your problem should be fixed. Right, so that's pretty much it, and if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.